So happy Sunday.
Not my name.
We're going to the seafood festival, which we go to every single year. That's Jaden back there. That's Kosi. And there's Mahani and Kai's in the back.
Hi guys, so
Papa.
we're going to the seafood festival.
Say hi.
Kai's been going to that seafood festival from he was about 1 year old, I think.
And even we're gonna be at the seafood festival.
Baby's you gonna eat food? You gonna eat food, mommy? Yes, it's going to be yummy. Funny thing, every time I bring this up, babe say I'm lying. Before me, babe wouldn't eat seafood like that. No, he loves seafood.
I'm gonna go on the Ferris wheel.
There's no Ferris wheel there. He's getting money out the ATM, and then we're heading on our way. I haven't done a vlogging for
Good job, little nugget. Good job.
I would be here.
Wait, what?
Alright, so
What?
get yourself.
Has been let go. I like that shirt. This shirt right here.
Head off.
That shirt.
Thanks, sir.
Take you a picture of this bathroom.
This porta potty is the cleanest porta potty I've ever been in, okay? Normally, they're dirty as hell, but this one is actually clean. Look.
And there's even tissue paper.
Oh. Me coming on about it.
You never know about this?
No.
Actually,
I just say want try.
I mean, Mommy, where are we going? Are we going to get a hayride, Mommy?
If you want to, when your brothers come back.
I want a hayride.
No, it's not spicy, mommy. They went. I just went over there. They weren't over there.
I think we're coming back.
You think so? So we're back from the seafood festival. We have a great time at the seafood festival. It has been, I think, year 5 of us going and taking the kids with us and just trying different seafoods and having fun. This year I got to try the wine. It's super strong. Sorry. This year I got to try the wine. It's super strong, and babe got beer and that was super strong. But overall it is a great experience. 10 out of 10. The food, the ambiance. It's crowded, but the kids got to play at the park and have fun. So with that being said, it was a day well spent with family. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. So good morning. It is 5 a.m. and I wanted to show you guys what a realistic morning routine looks like for me going to school, being a mom, and trying to be productive. So let's get into it. So the first hour of my day is dedicated to schoolwork and studying, to make sure that I'm on top of my schoolwork, to make sure that I'm retaining the information. My classes, my tests are super hard and they come by quickly. So I need to make sure I'm on top of everything that I need to be on top of. And that's why my first hour of the day is dedicated to schoolwork. Sometimes I study, sometimes I'm doing assignments, sometimes I'm making flashcards. I'm going to be studying and making flashcards today. I'm normally in the bathroom because the bathroom is my solace. Milani is probably in the bed sleeping. Kai sometimes is in my bed sleeping. So I tend to come in the bathroom where I'm still close to her. If anything, I can go in there and figure out why she's crying or whatever. But that's what we're going to be doing. And I like to turn this light off because it's a bit bright. I don't want to disturb her sleep. So So it's about 6:15 and it's time for me to rest my brain. But before I start the rest of the morning, it's about to be time for Kai to get ready for school. So now I'm just going to get both of them toothbrush ready so they don't destroy my bathroom. So now it's time to get their clothes ready. A lot of the times I probably pick out their clothes from the day before. So all I have to do is go in the room and get it. And I like to put Kai's clothes in the bathroom so he can just brush his teeth, put his clothes on, and call it a day. Do you want an egg? So free to get up, Papa. Are you eating at home or at school?
School.
School? Okay. I made you an omelet, but you can have it when you come home. They are going to the film. Dropping Kai off is very easy. All I do is drag on some sweats over my lounge clothes and I'm out the door, and I drop him off in a car loop, which is how it happens majority of the time. In Florida, Milani is a little bit different. I have to make sure I'm fully dressed because I have to walk her in right to her class door, and I have to buzz her in with a protective key. So that's what we're doing. I normally put like a nice little driving clip in here, but I'm not doing that anymore because people on social media are crazy.
Mommy, there's me on the camera. Ow, 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 ow. Hi. Mommy, I can see everybody see me. I wish my hair was up like this a bit, and then the next day I wish it was. Mom.
Right, put your socks in. Your shoes on. So I'm gonna make some pasta. Normally I like cooking before I go to school. Sometimes I don't get to do it, and sometimes babe have to actually make dinner. But when I have the time to prep and cook, I like to prep and cook before I go to school. So when the kids come home, they'll have something to eat, and if babe's here, he has something to eat. So I'm starting off with freshly cooked pasta. I am gonna do some garlic nuts, and then this is how I make my sauce with heavy cream and Mexican 4 cheese. So I'm seasoning my shrimp with Old Bay seasoning, some garlic powder, and some Larry's. And I feel like we should have gotten more shrimp. I'm trying to finish cooking by a certain time. So now while my shrimp is cooking, I am gonna go cut up all my green peppers. Guys, don't be like me when making this. This is a super easy and simple recipe, and my kids love it. This is actually Melani's favorite meal. But make sure the shrimp water that is left, the excess, you throw it out. I was hurrying and didn't throw it out, and it kind of made my recipe a bit weird, the sauce a bit weird. So throw out that excess shrimp water and not add your heavy cream to it, because I didn't like how the texture came out. Then I'm adding my 4 cheese mix, and then I'm just gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna add my pasta to this, and I'm gonna add everything little by little. So pasta, then add back my shrimp, and then add back my peppers. I actually add the shrimp last because it's cooked, and I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and dinner is served. Bon appetit. So now it's time for me to get ready for school. I like to go in with a serum, and this is the glue recipe. Then I'm gonna go in with my sunscreen, and this is Daily UV Defense Sunscreen in Broad Spectrum 36. A lot of times I am indoors in clinical facilities, hospitals, so I still wear my SPF. I like to wear my Certain Dry Clinical Protection deodorant because I'm walking up and down facilities floors for 12 hours. So now it's time to put my clothes on, my scrubs on. Yeah. As you guys can see, I get ready, then I'm walking the halls for about 12 hours, and then I'll be home. But that is my slow morning routine. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.